Oh, Carol, where are we at?
We're in Twin Rivers Campground RV Park in Roseburg, Oregon, and we just decided to look right across the street from it is a garden, and it looks beautiful.
Taking our doggy Cooper for a little walk too, so you know what? Very nice campsite. Would recommend it. A lot of full-timers, meaning people actually living in the campsite. But you know what? Everybody seems to be pretty friendly. Look at this. This is so cool. I don't know. Trees. Give you a whole video of this. It's a cool little things. Here's a, I don't know, some kind of gong or bong or does it make noise? It's for the kids to go play through. Look at this tree here. That is so cool. Next to you, behind here, weeping fruitless mulberry.
Something to hold it up.
Here's our campsite here at Twin Rivers RV Resort in Oregon. Pretty nice, pretty clean, nice and shaded. Little fire pit, picnic table area, pull through spot, which is awesome, especially when you're pulling a trailer like we are. Full hookups, so gosh, you can't beat it. And plus we just walked through a beautiful little garden, and river is real close. We'll be walking to that later. I'll give you a shot of seeing what that looks like. We're off to pick blueberries today with some friends of ours, Mike and Pam Short, up here in Oregon. Never have done that. Should be pretty fun. Love blueberry pancakes, my favorite thing to eat. Maybe even more than steak. Take care. Come along for the ride. Come along for the journey. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe, like. Send me a comment. Would you come here? A lot of people live here full time, but man, I guess it's okay as long as they are decent people. Who cares? They're not bothering me. I'm not gonna bother them. Blueberry picking today. Have never done it. Pretty cool. Blueberries are one of my favorite things to eat. Blueberry pancakes. This place is loaded with them. Then we're gonna go pick cherries. Something I've never done either. How many blueberries do we need? This many? Or more? Look at Carol, my lovely bride. Oh my gosh, she's picking cherries.
So good. So sweet. I think this is enough.
Yep, this is the place to pick the Rainier cherries. Look at that. sweetness.